Hello, beautiful people. Let's train your ears with English Listen Easy.
Hey, listeners. I'm Jack.
And I'm Emma. How are you today, Jack?
I'm good, actually. I'm in a great mood today.
Really? Why's that?
I don't know. Maybe it's the coffee. Maybe it's just a good day.
I know that feeling. Some days just feel good for no reason.
Exactly. So, Emma, do you have any plans for later?
I do, actually. I'm going to clean my apartment.
Wow, that's a big plan.
I know. I always say I will clean it, but I never do it.
Wait, you just used two different words there. I'm going to clean and I will clean. What's the difference?
Good question. Today, that's our topic. Will or going to?
Perfect topic. A lot of learners get confused about this.
Me too, to be honest. Let me try to explain it simply.
Okay, go for it.
We use going to when we already have a plan. We decided before.
So, like your apartment, you decided before to clean it.
Right. I'm going to clean my apartment this afternoon. I planned this.
Got it. And will,
We use will for a fast decision. We decide right now, in that second.
can you give an example?
Sure. Imagine we're in the kitchen. The phone rings.
Okay.
I say, I'll get it. I didn't plan this before. I decide right now.
Oh, that makes sense. So, going to is an old plan and will is a new decision.
Exactly. You got it fast.
I also remember will is good for guesses about the future.
Yes, like, it will rain tomorrow. That's a guess, not a plan.
Right, right. And we also use going to when we see clear signs.
Oh, good point. Can you give an example?
Sure. Look at those dark clouds. I say, it's going to rain.
Because you can see it. It's not just a guess.
Exactly. I see the clouds, so I feel sure.
This is a great way to remember it. Plan or sign equals going to. Fast decision or guess equals will.
I like that. Simple and clear.
Now, Jack, do you have a story about this? A mistake, maybe?
Oh, I have a good one. It's a little embarrassing. Last year, I called my friend Tom. I said, I will come to your party tonight.
Okay, sounds normal.
But I already planned this 2 weeks before. I should have said, I'm going to come to your party tonight.
That's funny. Small mistake, but a good lesson. I have a similar story, actually.
Tell me your story.
Last month, my sister asked me, Are you free this weekend?
And what did you say?
I said, I don't know. I'll check my calendar.
That's correct. You didn't decide yet.
Right, but then, 2 minutes later, I said, I will go shopping with you on Saturday.
Wait, but you didn't have time to plan that.
Exactly. In that moment, it was a fast decision, so will was correct.
Oh, I see. So it depends on the moment, not just the topic.
Yes, the situation tells us which word to use.
This is actually really helpful. I feel like I understand it better now.
Me too. Sometimes teaching helps you learn again.
Wait, I have one more question. What about plans with other people?
What do you mean?
Like, if two friends make a plan together, which word do we use?
Good question. We still use going to because it's already decided.
So, if my friend and I decide to meet on Friday, I say, we're going to meet on Friday.
Exactly right. You both agreed before, so it's a real plan.
That makes sense. It's not a guess, and it's not a fast decision.
Right, it's something you already talked about together.
Okay, I think I really understand it now.
Good, you're a fast learner today.
True. Okay, before we go on, let's take a short break.
If you're enjoying this episode, please subscribe. It really helps us make more content for you.
Yes, subscribe so you don't miss our next episodes. We'd love to have you back.
Okay, let's continue. I want to try some more examples with you, Jack.
Let's do it. I love practice.
Okay, here's the first one. You look at your phone. The battery is at 1%.
Okay, what do I say?
You say, "My phone," and then,
My phone is going to die.
perfect. Why going to and not will?
Because I can see it. It's a clear sign right there on the screen.
Exactly right. Okay, next example. You're at a restaurant. The waiter asks, "What do you want to drink?"
And I answer right away without planning before.
Yes, exactly.
So I say, I'll have a coffee, please.
Perfect. That's a fast decision.
This is fun. Give me one more.
Okay, imagine you bought plane tickets last week for a trip to Spain.
Oh, I love this example.
How do you talk about your trip?
I'm going to visit Spain next month. I planned it already.
Perfect. You compare the two situations really well.
Thanks. I think comparing them side by side helps a lot.
It does. When you compare will and going to together, the difference becomes clear.
Yes, and comparing real examples is much easier than just reading rules.
Totally agree. A good comparison sticks in your memory.
Okay, my turn to give you an example.
Go for it.
You're driving, and suddenly a car stops in front of you.
Oh no, what do I say?
You shout, "Watch out! We're going to crash!"
Oh, that's intense. But why going to here?
Because you can see it happening right now. It's very clear.
Right, it's not a guess, it's almost certain.
Exactly. Great job, Emma.
Thanks, Jack. Let me give you one more, a hard one.
Okay, I'm ready.
You're at home and your friend calls you. She sounds sad.
Oh no, what do I say?
You didn't plan anything, but you decide right away to help her.
Don't worry, I'll come over right now.
Perfect. That's a fast decision made in the moment.
I understand it now. It really depends on the moment, like you said before.
Exactly. This practice really helps.
I agree. So let's do a quick recap.
Sure, we use going to for plans we already made.
And also for things we can clearly see are about to happen.
Right, and we use will for fast decisions in the moment.
And for guesses about the future.
So basically, going to is for plans and signs, and will is for guesses and quick choices.
Pretty much, yeah. Not too hard when you compare them like this.
Not at all. Now let's talk about a small tip for you listeners.
Yes, here's my tip. Try to notice these words when you watch movies or shows.
That's a great tip. Notice if a person says will or going to.
Then ask yourself, is this a plan or a fast decision?
This will train your brain naturally without studying grammar books.
Exactly. It's a simple and fun way to learn.
I love that tip. Simple, but really useful.
Okay, now it's time for our word of the episode.
I actually want to use it in a sentence first. Can I try?
Sure, go ahead.
Before I travel, I always make a plan.
Wait, what does plan mean exactly?
A plan is an idea about what you will do later.
Oh, like deciding what to do before it happens.
Exactly. For example, my plan for tomorrow is to clean my apartment.
That's easy to understand. So a plan is something you decide first.
Right, and then later you do it.
I have a plan for this weekend too. I'm going to visit my parents.
See, you just used the word naturally.
I did. I like this word. It's simple, but really useful.
It connects perfectly with today's topic, too.
True. Going to is basically talking about your plan.
Exactly. Okay, listeners, now it's your turn.
Write a short sentence in the comments using the word plan.
This helps you remember the word better. You create your own example.
You can write something like, "My plan for today is to study English."
Or, I don't have a plan yet, but I'm thinking about it.
Simple sentences work perfectly.
Before we finish, let's remember our last word, too. Does anyone remember it?
It was compare.
Yes, when we compare will and going to, everything becomes clearer.
True. Comparing examples is such a useful way to learn.
Did you get a chance to use the word compare? We hope so.
Now you know the word plan too. Try to use it in your daily life.
Okay, listeners, that's it for today's episode.
We hope this helped you understand will and going to a little better.
If this episode helped you, please like it, share it, and subscribe.
We're always working on new episodes for you, so stay close.
And please leave a comment below.
Tell us your plan for today. We're curious to know.
Thanks so much for listening, everyone.
See you next time on English Listen Easy.
Bye for now.